Welcome back to Adventures with Paw, the original Adventures with Paw. Let me tell you why I'm saying original Adventures with Paw. I really didn't want to have to make this video, but I'm left no choice. There's a guy out there that started his channel several months back, and he has actually a likeness of me. I'm actually better looking, but he stole my name. He stole my brand name, Adventures with Paw. And did he do it intentionally? I don't know. Did he do it maliciously? I don't know. I wrote him and asked him, but he never replied. So I can only assume, and we all know what happens when you assume, the old saying. So, being he didn't reply, I contacted YouTube and mentioned to YouTube that somebody out there is impersonating me, and not only impersonating my name, my brand that I registered 3.5, 4 years ago with YouTube. Okay? Adventures with Paw. But the likeness is the same. So it can be really, really confusing for somebody that doesn't know. And they're subscribing to it. They see, oh, Adventures with Paw. Oh, there it is. And they search it, and then they subscribe to him instead of me. And vice versa. So it's hurting. When I first found that, it really, really hurt. And my stomach was in knots because I got so much invested in this. I got time. I've got money invested in the brand. So I wrote YouTube and said, hey, somebody out there is impersonating me. This was months ago when I first found out. YouTube never got back to me. They never got back to me with a response. So where you at, YouTube? You're supposed to protect the creators. If I started my channel and I said, hey, I'm going to use Changing Lanes, I like that name, you would shut me down real quick. Maybe, they're copyrighted, but how about the ones that aren't copyrighted? Okay. How about if I decided, hey, I like Switch It Up, or Keeping Your Daydream, or Finding Your Someday? Big name channels in the RV creators. If I decided to use that, YouTube would step in and shut me down. But YouTube don't care about the little guy. I'm not even monetized after 4 years. And this is probably the reason why. I got one video out there that really blew up. I'm a freaking genius. That's what it's called. I'll post it right here. It hit 48,000 views. So why didn't all the rest of my views or the rest of my videos? I'm upset, so I'm going to be stumbling over words. And the reason why I'm putting this video out today is one of my subscribers contacted me, and they got a notification that Adventures with Paw put out a new video. So they clicked on it and they said, it's not me. Let me read you this. This is from my subscriber. Not the nephew 526. As a subscriber, I was notified of a new video from Adventures with Paw. It wasn't yours, but rather someone with similar facial hair talking about Santa gone missing. His page shows me as a subscriber, which I never subscribed. So if he never subscribed, how did he get the subscription? So this is really troublesome. Not only for me, but for every channel out there. Come on, YouTube, you got to do better than this. You got to start protecting the creators, the brand names. Whether or not we're monetized or not, you got or copyrighted, you have to protect us. Okay? It's not hard. Shut this guy down, tell him to change his oh, you know what the difference is between Adventures with Paw Paw? I have a space between Paw Paw. He doesn't have a space between Paw Paw. That's the difference. So the algorithm didn't come up because of that little space? Well, you know what? He's stealing my identity. I'm not happy about it. I wrote him. I asked him to change his name, as he got started. It would benefit him. And he didn't answer. I complained to YouTube. YouTube didn't answer. So so now I'm forced that my subscribers are calling me or texting me, and they're like, "Hey, why am I getting this, guys? I want to see your videos." Well, now I'm forced to let the world know that this guy stole my identity. And if you're watching, you know what you did. You're feeding off of me. I'm not feeding off of you. You're feeding off of me. I don't like that. Okay? Benefit yourself. Do your work. Do your research. Did you do your research when you picked that name? Because my name's been out there a long time. I got a lot of videos. 160 some plus videos. Okay? I got a lot. You should have done your research. So, all I'm telling my subscribers is go on, make sure that you're still a subscriber of mine. If you're not a subscriber of mine, please go ahead and hit that subscribe. I got this little QR code that pops up every now and then. If you're watching it on TV, go ahead, scan that with your phone. It'll take you right to my channel. Go ahead and just hit that subscribe for me. All right. It helps me out. I'm not monetized after 3.5 years, but yet here's YouTube runs their commercials on all of our videos and makes money and don't pay us. We don't get paid from that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe. Help me get monetized. Maybe I can make a nickel a month and pay for my business cards that I got printed up or any other things, and put a little bit of 5 cents in gas in my truck. So with that being said, please go in. If you're a subscriber of these other channels, go in, make sure that you're still a subscriber. Okay. If not, hit that subscribe no matter what channel you're on. If you want to subscribe to that channel, because YouTube or something's going wrong in the universe. And I'm not the only one that's saying it, but when you don't have 1,000 subscribers, okay, it's noticeable that you lose subscribers. Now, yeah, somebody could be like, yeah, I don't want to subscribe to him no more, and be done and unsubscribe. And that's okay, because I'm not for everybody, you know. But when you have 100,000 subscribers, okay, you don't notice that you're missing subscribers, okay. Little guys like me, we notice that. We notice the subscribers coming off. So if I have 700 subscribers and the next day I tune into my channel and I got 698, I know I lost 2 subscribers. Did they unsubscribe? Or did YouTube place them somewhere else? We will never know. So all I can say is go on, check every now and then, see if you're still a subscriber, if you want to be a subscriber. make sure, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe for me. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. And if anything has happened like this to anybody out there, let me know. Let me know in the comments down there. I'm not a big channel. I don't hire people to do my work and edit it and answer people, okay? I'm not one of them big guys. If you leave a comment and it says, and you got a reply, and it says, Pawpaw, that's me. I actually went on there, read your comment, and I am the one replying to your comment, okay? So it's me talking to you. Hey, all I can ask is hit that subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and leave some comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'm not promoting that other guy by no means, because he did me dirty, all right, and still is doing me dirty. YouTube's doing me dirty too. So does YouTube like me? Probably not. I don't know why. I don't know why they're not pushing my videos. I don't know why after 4 years that I'm still not monetized. They don't push my videos. They don't do anything for me. So I mean, I'm out there. I'm doing this. I'm doing it for fun. I'm doing it so my grandkids can see and say, ah, that was my dumbass Pawpaw out there. Look at what he did. That's primarily why I'm doing it. But when something like this comes up, it's troublesome. It really puts a wrench in my heart to know that people are just out there to try to do you dirty. And I would never do that to someone. I did my research before I did this. I just, man, it bothers me to no end. I know I haven't been putting a lot of videos out lately. This year has been really turned upside down for me. My father had dementia. Now, I'm not giving you no sad story to, follow me or whatever, but I'm just letting you know the reason why I haven't been updating my channels or my videos. My father was diagnosed with dementia. I was running back and forth trying to take care of him, and then he suddenly passed away from pneumonia at 94, 6 days after his birthday. And now I'm the caretaker of my elder sister, which he was the caretaker of her. She's mentally handicapped, and now I took that on. And so the government wouldn't take her, put her in a group home. So she's living with us now, and you'll see her. You'll see her on some of the videos. She's a pistol. So but once I get things straightened out, I have to run back down south and put my father to rest in Biloxi National Cemetery. I may or may not make a little video of that. I'm not sure quite yet. It's a little personal, but he was a veteran and Air Force vet, so he's going to be laid to rest in the National Cemetery in Biloxi. But at any rate, that's enough of that. I'm going to be updating some new videos. I'm going to be putting out some new videos, some how-tos, how to not do things that Pawpaw does. Because I'm no expert. I just do it. I don't make a lot of money anymore, so I can't afford to pay people. So I do it myself. Do I get hurt? Yeah. Do I break things? Yeah. It's all part of life, right? So, and then we're going to be putting some other travel videos out. And so I hope you like that. I hope you stick with me. Make sure that you're subscribing to this face right here, okay? Not the other face. So, and, the original Adventures with Pawpaw. All right. Again, all my subscribers, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for your support and continued support. And anybody that's going to hit that subscribe, thank you for supporting me. I really, really appreciate it. Um, so, I hope that, you find it in your little fingertip to boop, hit that little subscribe and that notification bell. All right. Okay. All right. Well, this rant is over. So I just want to thank everybody for watching Adventures with Paw Paw. I hope you enjoy everything. And, you know, make sure that you're subscribing to the original Adventures with Paw Paw. And thanks for watching. See you on the next video.